Velvet Brownies, we need sugar. I use castor sugar, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, red gel food coloring, melted butter, all-purpose flour, and 2 eggs. Let's get started. First step, mix castor sugar with cocoa powder. Mix with the whisk. Then add the melted butter. And you mix again with the whisk. Now add vanilla extract. And red gel food coloring. And you mix again with the whisk until well combined. Now you add eggs one at a time. And you whisk again. Now you add the flour. And you mix until well combined. Now you reserve some of the butter for the marble swirl on the top. I use 22 by 22 centimeter square pan, and you put the butter here. Now finish with the first layer. We will make the second layer. The cheesecake layer, we need cream cheese, castor sugar, egg, and vanilla extract. Mix the cream cheese, sugar, egg, and vanilla extract. You mix this until well combined. Add the second layer, the cheesecake, on the top of the brownies. Use the reserve of the red velvet butter and you put 9 dollop on the cheesecake. Now you make a swirl like you make a marble cake. Okay, it's ready to bake. You preheat your oven 177 degrees Celsius and you bake this for 30 minutes, but all depend on your oven. You see this? It's really beautiful. I will make with the cookie cutter later the heart shape for this red velvet cheesecake brownies, so you can use that for the valentine. Now I will cut the red velvet using a cookie cutter. You see this? Really beautiful. You do that for the all brownies to make the heart shape like that. This is really beautiful heart shape red velvet cheesecake brownies, and the taste also will be good. You can use this for your Valentine's Day, for your loved one. Will be nice. And I will taste this brownies now. I will try this. It's really great. You will like. Really delicious. This is not too sweet, yeah? I already give less sugar because I don't like also if the cake too sweet. This is really delicious, trust me. You will like.